In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Unlock Your Hip Flexors. And if you've never been on WWC YouTube channel, basically what I do around here is I review workout and weight loss products, give them a test, and let you guys know my final thoughts on them. What is Unlock Your Hip Flexors? So the program is for someone who's been having a lot of back and joint pain or wants to get a little bit more explosiveness but just can't because their body's a little bit achy. That is because of possibly it's not totally because your hip flexors. So this whole guide teaches you how to unlock what they call right here the hidden survival muscle, and by unlocking them you're going to be able to get some extra strength as well as relieve pain completely, or maybe just a little bit. So now if you were to purchase, like, what are you going to get in the actual program? Well, you're going to get a lot of techniques to untighten your hip flexors. When you purchase it, you get a manual guide that is written as well as a video guide that goes through a lot of the content. Some of the methods that are in the video guide are going to be PNF, fascia, and dynamic stretching, 3D core stability exercises, mobility exercises, and muscle activation movements. For the manual side of things, like, here are some things that you can expect to see if you were to purchase it. Why hip flexors are holding back your posture, a full list of exercises with photographic modules that you can use, 2 situations that you should be aware of when training your glutes for maximum strength and explosiveness. And I'm just going to stop listing them off because I'm like literally just reading off the titles from the book right in front of me. So if you want to see like everything that you're going to get, because that shit's boring, me sitting here just like reading those off, you can go click the link below in the description and you can read like every little thing that you're going to get and what you can expect on their official website. Let's just get into what I like about it. First off, it's simple and easy to follow. They give you a freaking video guide and you're just going to plop that thing up and follow the stretching routines that are in there, as well as the exercises. Hey, you're not going to need like a kinesiology degree or anything. You don't need anything, all right? You just kind of need a little bit of your mind, and that's about it. It's super easy to follow, that is. It's super easy to follow. The second thing I like about it is that there's a science behind this. If you were to go on Google right now, you can keep this video playing while I'm talking to you, but go on Google and you can see by typing in something along the lines of like, if I do stretches for my hip flexors, will it help pain, or something along those lines, like are tight hip flexors bad for you? All right, you're going to find a bunch of resources of people saying, yes, if you have tight hip flexors, you could experience a lot of back pain. All right, it could hold you back in the gym. There's a lot of things going on, okay? Just go run the Google search. You can see that there is some science behind this. Another thing I like is that they have a little bonus called a anti-inflammatory diet guide, where it's just going to give you an exact guide that you can follow. Lastly, there's a money-back guarantee, so you could purchase it, and if you don't like it for whatever reason, you're going to get your money back. Here's what I don't like about it. One, it costs $10. It'd be a heck of a lot better if it was free, but, $10 isn't that bad. Second thing, on their sales page, they say like, oh, put in these techniques and you're going to instantly be able to, unlock your hip flexor. The thing is that it's going to take a few days of stretching before it actually like starts to kick in. It's not like you're just going to like do one stretch and then be able to go deadlift an extra 50 pounds like they suggest on their sales page. As for your other options, there really are none in this case, which is weird because I'm always given extra options that you can check out. This really seems to be the only book geared and guide, it's more so a guide, geared towards getting rid of your tight hip flexors. The ultimate question, do I recommend it? Yes. It's only $10. And if you're having trouble with something like this, it just seems like a no-brainer that like you could fork out $10, see if it works. You could always return it if it doesn't work. And you would be paying a lot more money than $10 if it does drastically help you. Like if you have like just an awful back right now, and you're not sure what's going on, then, I would fork up to $10 and just give it a go. I also recommend it because I had a good experience with it. It really just made my body feel good. Now, I've left a few helpful links below in the description. Down low there is their official website, so if you want to go read like every little thing that you're going to get, if you were to purchase this, you can go click that link below in the description. If this video is helpful, please give a thumbs up. I'd love you forever. Until next time, I'll see you later, YouTube.